everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte. We're going to be talking around today our Carado V339 that has just arrived in stock. It's a German built motorhome and it is 2-berth with 4 seatbelts. This vehicle is 3.5 tonnes, so you can drive it on the standard driving licence. It also comes in under 7 metres, so for those who are looking decent living space and something compact, this could be the one for you. It's 140 brake horsepower on a 2.2 litre engine and it is automatic. This is a Pro Plus edition, so it does come with lots of lovely extras. Starting off at the front, it comes with our lovely alloy wheels. You've got the silver metallic cab, you've got your Pro Plus decals along the side with your framed windows. You've got a 4-metre full demonstrator awning as well. Into the garage, we've got 3-pin socket, there's plenty of space there as well, and you've got your little struts, so if you have stuff in that you want to tie down, you have the option to do so. We are wired for reverse camera and we're wired for a solar panel as well, so if you did go for the media pack, that does entail your reverse camera. We done a video there on the Carado V337, so if you check that out you can see what all comes with the media pack. You do have access to your garage from the other side as well, which makes it so accessible. Into the driver's seat, we are fully loaded with your convenience features. Down to the right of me here is your electric park brake. Our steering wheel is leather, you've got your hands free, and you've also got your cruise control built in there as well. We've got our 8-speed automatic gearbox, and then we've got our climate zone down below. Now, as I was saying earlier, the media pack does come with a touchscreen infotainment system, so you can put that there and that is totally optional. We do have a light and airy open plan feel in our front lounge. We've got the 2 captain swivel chairs. There's a panoramic sky view just over that, so it lets all the light come into the van. Our table does drop down and make into an extra 3rd berth, and now it is small, and we do have a 3-pin socket. There's 2 ISOFIX points in the travel seat, so if you are bringing kids, this is also very good. You've got your 3rd and your 4th seat belts. We've got your TV bracket there, and we've got our shelves finished in the shade Cozy White. The kitchen's very neatly designed. We've got just beside me our Thetford combi oven and grill. You've got 2 additional 3-pin sockets in your kitchen area. You've got 2 ring gas burner with your sink, and then you've got your 3-way fridge freezer box down here. Your control panel is at the habitation door. So again, it's very basic and simple to use, and our heating system runs off Truma gas and electric. At the back we have our huge island bed. Now, they didn't cut us short with storage. We've got 2 full-size hanging rail wardrobe, which is obviously great for all your coats and your t-shirts and all the rest. We've got our overhead cabinets with our reading lights. You've got your lovely ambient lighting above the bed, and just because you do have to step up into the bed, you've got a bit of internal storage there too. Taking into consideration you've got the huge garage just behind that. The storage is absolutely brilliant. We've got a wet room in the Carado V339. Now it is a very clever layout. You've got your toilet to the right, you've got a little bit of storage beside that, but the sink is actually on a swinging door, so it really does utilise the space well. All you have to do is swing this across and you've got a huge space for showering. As well as that, it also keeps the sink out of the way and the toilet, so it's not getting everything soaking wet whenever you need to take a shower. That was a walk through our Carado V339. Compact, comfortable and reliable. So if you'd like to come down and see it, give us a wee shout on 028 92 69 3999, or you can send me an email, charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.